Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming you can sign into the Google account and that your recovery phone or email is accurate. This prevents lockout. Once signed in, go straight to Security two-step verification and start the setup. Choose SMS, Authenticator app, or hardware key. Make sure your primary device is with you so codes arrive immediately. Also add at least one backup method now. This saves time later and avoids being stranded if the main method fails. Once you request a code, check the delivery channel you selected. SMS appears as a 6-digit text, the Authenticator app shows a rotating code, and backup codes are static printable values. Enter the exact 6 digits into Gmail's verification prompt. Typing mistakes are the usual blocker, then submit. If using an authenticator, sync device time if codes are rejected. Make sure to download or write down backup codes and store them offline for emergencies, because they let you regain access without a phone. After entering a valid code, mark your device as trusted if it's private so you won't re-enter codes every time. That balances convenience and security. If your code is rejected, first request a fresh code, then resync the Authenticator app's time correction setting. This fixes most mismatches. If SMS never arrives, switch to a backup email or use a printed backup code. Only use the account recovery flow after exhausting backups, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.